What if I told you there's a channel called Funny Meow that exploded to 1.6 million subscribers in just a few months? And that's not even the wildest part. Their latest video still pulled over 26,000 views, while many of their uploads get millions of views, all while making more than $42,000 per month in pure ad revenue. Here's the crazy part. You're probably thinking those kinds of videos must have taken months and a huge budget to make, right? Nope. There's a secret AI tool that can create those high-level animated videos in minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. I'm talking about animations that used to cost thousands of dollars and weeks of work. Now you can make them fast. The best part? You can even use its Nano Banana feature, an intelligent editing tool inside Videoinu that automatically enhances your scenes and storytelling, all without touching complex software. Stick around till the end, because I'll not only show you how to make your first viral animated story with Videoinu, but also how to join our exclusive giveaway, where 3 winners will get free pro memberships and 1 will grab 500 premium credits, totally free. And before we dive into the tutorial, let me show you a quick preview of what we're going to build today.
Luna's first day. It was Luna's first day at school, excited, but a little scared. Other kittens raced past, laughing and playing, while Luna slowed her steps. Inside the classroom, chatter filled the air as Luna sat quietly. She tried to smile, but her voice stayed quiet. At lunch, Luna sat alone beneath a big, shady tree. A gray kitten named Milo tripped nearby. His sandwich fell. Luna hurried to help and shared her lunch with Milo. From that moment, Luna wasn't alone anymore. They played together, and soon other kittens joined in too. Sometimes, friendship begins with the smallest act of kindness.
Alright, let's get started. Go to the video description below. You'll find the Videoinu link. Click on it and it'll take you straight to the homepage. Once you're there, hit start for free. Now, simply log in with your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll instantly receive 500 free credits, completely free. That's already enough to create your very first full animated video. For smoother workflow and access to all premium tools like Nano Banana and advanced voice effects, check out the subscription plans. You'll find the subscribe button on the left side. Creating your character. From the homepage, you'll see 2 options: AI Video Generator and AI Character Generator. We'll start with the character. You can choose from Videoinu's ready-made characters or upload your own image to create a custom one. Give it a name, adjust the style and tone, and even use ChatGPT to refine your look and story idea. To make it more fun, you can even generate real person-style characters or add funny, unexpected AI scenarios. This really helps your story connect with viewers and makes it shareable. Once your character's ready, we move to the next step: generating your video. Now click on AI Video Generation. Here's where Videoinu really shines. If you don't have a script yet, just type your idea into the Smart Script box. The AI will write the story for you in seconds. Or, if you already have your script like this one, paste it directly under Basic Script. Choose your video duration, 5, 10, or even 30 minutes, and select your preferred language. Then, pick your video style. I'm going with 3D cartoon, but you can also try realistic, anime, or cinematic styles. Videoinu gives you creative freedom to express yourself however you like, even in uncensored, bold, and experimental formats, as long as it stays tasteful. This is where creators can really stand out. Videoinu doesn't limit your ideas, it helps you bring them to life. Polish your video. Once you click Next, the AI will split your script into scenes. Review each carefully, make edits if needed, and then assign your characters. Next, Videoinu will automatically create storyboard visuals, backgrounds, camera angles, and actions. If something doesn't fit, simply regenerate. Thanks to Nano Banana, your visuals adapt intelligently. It keeps your story consistent without wasting credits. Now, let's add your voiceover. Videoinu includes expressive AI voices in over 10 languages. Choose one that fits your story tone best. To bring your video to life, click Animate, choose your preferred animation model, and hit Animate All. This part might use more credits, but trust me, the result looks stunning and professional. Once everything's animated, you can add subtitles, music, and effects. Alright, now that your visuals are ready, it's time to make your video stand out with the perfect background music. You can also add a cover image if you want. Just choose one that fits your video. Next, let's add subtitles. For this demo, I'm going without subtitles, so I'll select none. Next, let's add background music. Click on background music. Now explore the music library and find a track that fits the vibe of your video. Once you find one you like, I'll choose this one. You can easily adjust the volume to make sure it blends nicely with your voice. Now when you're happy with everything, click Generate. Here's where the magic happens. Automatically sync your visuals with the beat. It's fast, it's accurate, and it makes your video feel way more professional without spending time manually syncing every clip. Videoinu will process your video and apply all your changes automatically. When it's done, hit download, and boom, your masterpiece is ready. Before you go, here's something exciting. We're running a special Videoinu giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Step 1. Register a free Videoinu account using the link in the description. Step 2. Watch this video and leave a comment below, sharing what you like about Videoinu and what you think could be improved. Step 3. I'll pick the most creative comment from those who registered and announce the winner soon. The lucky 3 winner will receive free pro memberships, while 500 credits are available to all users who register on Videoinu to power up their next project. So go ahead, register, comment, and show off your creativity. Your final video will not only look professional, but also reflect your unique, uncensored style, the kind that grabs attention and grows audiences fast. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you plan to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.